Long ago, a wandering monk lived in a small village. He owned nothing but his robe, his bowl, and a wooden chest that he sat on every day while meditating. One day, Gautam Buddha was passing through the village. He saw the monk and gently asked, "What is inside the chest you are sitting on?" The monk looked up, puzzled. "Nothing, master. It's just an old box I have always had." Buddha gestures towards the chest, encouraging the monk to open it. Buddha smiled and said, "Have you ever looked inside?" The monk shook his head. He had never thought to check. Curious, he slowly lifted the lid and gasped in shock. A golden glow emerges from the chest as the monk's eyes widen in disbelief. Inside, the chest was filled with golden coins and precious jewels. For years, he had been living in poverty, unaware that he was sitting on immense wealth. Buddha looks at the monk with deep wisdom. Buddha then spoke, "This is how most people live their lives. They search for happiness, wisdom, and strength outside, never realizing that the greatest treasure is already within them." The monk, now enlightened, closes his eyes in deep reflection as Buddha walks away. My dear friends, we all possess limitless wisdom, love, and strength inside us. But like the monk, we often fail to look within. So stop searching outside, open the treasure within you. If you find the video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.